Sing up. Gee, she's sexy, isn't she? This is the first time I've actually seen someone else ride it. Yeah, he got me. Oh, it's not that loud. Yeah, you can hear it. Definitely. My bike is sitting here. My bike is louder than this bike right now. I can hear my bike. I can't hear this bike. That's better. Oh, that's right. I'm in sport. I'm like, where's my power gone? That's better. Into wooden bong. They're going to be stopped getting fuel. Oh, we're actually open today. So many motorcycles. So many. Okay, let's get some gas. Yeah, sure. So what'd you reckon? It's loud.
I was on a high the whole time.
You're on a high?
Yeah.
Loved it?
It was bad that I loved it that much.
Just, well, you can get one for your R when you buy it.
Oh, the bike you're talking about?
Or just the bike.
Oh, the bike.
Yeah.
It just eats.
It loves its shit, doesn't it?
Oh. I was so tempted just to keep going.
It's all good. Yours is so bad with an... I was in second gear and we're doing 100. I didn't even realise. I'm like, it's so quiet. And the power difference is just monstrous. Hey? Oh, fucking shit. Hey, good, thanks. Yeah, it's fine. Cheers. Yeah, I couldn't own one. No. Oh, that's yours. Oh, come on.
No, I said that when I killed myself if I owned one like yours.
Yeah.
Certainly though, I'm getting the R.
Yeah. Well, it's 99% of the way there.
Yeah.
You know, you get all the fun just without the crunched over seating position.
I reckon give me a couple of minutes, like a little bit longer, and yeah, I was a little bit concerned there initially.
You're in sport mode. You couldn't hurt yourself.
No, not about that.
Oh. About what?
Just leaning over that far
Oh, about leaning over.
when you go in the corner.
Well, you know what's funny about your bike? Now that I'm, just doing that kind of stuff, the bike will do it, no worries. It's just, you don't have to work for it. You just tip it in and it'll do it. It's almost easier to ride hard on this than that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you're not leaning forward.
No, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's what the guy was saying at the BMW shop.
Yeah, with the GS and that.
Yeah.
Mm. Oof. Cannons. Ah, for fuck's sake. Haven't even done up me fucking helmet. Don't think it would be wise to be going through this shit with no hands. It's actually quite difficult to put a helmet on with gloves. I know some people probably are all over it, but I struggle a bit. Fuck, missed it. The first 2 rings. Let's get him under the arm. There we go. Got him. And then trying to find the button. Yeah? Hey, got it. Sweet. Oh! Smack bam! Fucking got him! Fucking 2 double R's! These are good roads here. And as you can all see, I'm not exactly fucking around here. And Brooksy, he's doing just fine. Where's that fucking camera? It's not far, there it is. Mt Lindsay. Love it. This is probably my favourite bit of blacktop in Queensland / New South Wales, I reckon. We've had some good times through here. And no traffic today, which is good. Double apex. Just PlayStationing it, the gears. Don't need to be shifting like this, but it's fun. We're going quick today. It feels quick anyway. Oh shit, get away from you. Oh shit, crap road. Yeah, I cut the corner. What are you going to do about it? Best roads, swear to God. Like, for those locals who go up and down Glorious, Glorious ain't bad, but this shits on it. It really does. Less traffic, more sweepers, faster pace, that's for sure. You gotta work a bit more for it though. Like, you want a well sorted suspension setup. Tightening radius corners, all good. Thinking we're done. Pushing. Okay. I think we're done. Oh. Camera, still there, beautiful. Probably pull up somewhere, have a chat. It's a good road, that. Very good road. You were pushing pretty hard there. I thought Al was quick. Where was he?
I don't know.
Oi, Brooksy, you didn't see the bird you hit explode. Got it all on video. It's just gone boom! Holy shit.
I felt good. And every time I heard Ryan's motor beside me come close to me, it's like, oh fuck, I got to gas up more.
That was a good pace. I was just maintaining my gap.